Hey everybody, how's it going? As you can see, we are standing in a field.
Hey.
Why are we standing in a field, you might ask? So, we have some big, exciting news. If you watched our video from last week, we kind of teased about the fact that we were gonna announce something big this week, and we are doing it in this video. So we, after finishing up the Airstream and sending it off to Florida,
Having a baby.
and having a baby and all of the things, we decided that moving would also be a great thing to throw into the mix because life just wasn't crazy enough.
We like doing crazy, big, weird things.
Yes. So after, life changed our direction when it came to the Airstream, we started to just kind of go, okay, well, what do we want to do next? What vision do we have for the future? And, one thing that we, even with the Airstream, one thing that we were seeing and really wanting to work towards is to have land and to be able to, build something where we can homestead and be self-reliant and create that sort of life for ourselves. And finishing out the Airstream and selling it and doing it how we did has opened some doors and enabled us to be able to kind of move on to this next phase in a sooner than we were expecting.
Yeah, very rapid.
A more rapid way, as well as, to be honest, in a way that we didn't really expect and envision, and it's been, above and beyond
for sure.
kind of our wildest dreams. So it's really amazing. We just want to share that with you. Real quick, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to join along. Also, so this channel, as you know, if we've been doing the Airstream, and we're still going to be doing Airstream stuff, but we're also going to be doing a lot more. And so if you have been following us to follow our family, we're actually going to be starting a new channel that's going to be based on this new property and homesteading and all of that, and more of our family. And so that's going to be coming up. And
So if you like me,
yes,
check that one out here in the future.
So she'll be on that channel more. I'll be doing Miller Garage more. We'll both be on both channels, but that is going to be something that we're launching today as well. So you can go check out our video, our first video for that on that channel. That's going to be linked, and we'll talk about that more a little bit at the end.
Yep.
So subscribe to both, and we got a lot more awesome stuff coming. So we're going to go check out the property. We're going to walk around, and then at the end, I'm going to show you guys my favorite part that I'm really excited about.
And the real reason we even looked into this property.
Yeah, so we'll talk about that when we get there.
So, this is our pond. I don't know what to say here.
It's so fun because we only went fishing once.
Levi could tell you all about the pond, actually.
Yeah.
So what do you love about the pond?
That we can go fishing in our backyard.
What kind of
And-
fish are in there?
Catfish.
Are you so excited?
Yeah, Jill almost caught one, but the string slided out of his hand.
Our fishing poles had broken, and so he was fishing with just the fishing line.
And it slipped out of his hand because the catfish grabbed it.
So this next part of the property, as you can see, we have our very own gun range. So we are in a part of unincorporated Collin County, which basically means that we really don't have a heck of a lot of rules and stuff. So it's pretty great. Obviously it has its downsides, but one of the upsides is that you can have fires and do fireworks and also shoot guns. So that's gonna be a fun thing as we teach the boys gun safety and how to shoot and all that good stuff, because I think that's an important thing. And then here on the back side of the property, we have a creek that runs along kind of the back boundary line, and right now it's flowing pretty good. When we first moved here, it was like really dry and you couldn't even see any water in it, but we've had quite a bit of rain and storms and stuff, and so it's got water actually flowing through it. And it's cool because it's kind of down in a ravine that's about 15 feet down. So obviously that'll be a place that the boys go explore and all that good stuff. So this is just a really, really amazing place, and we are excited to do more exploring out here. And I mean, we haven't even really like explored the whole property. It's 5.5 acres. I think we said that before. I can't remember exactly, but you know, just lots of space, and we're gonna do just some really awesome stuff on it. So we're gonna go back up to the house. We're gonna do a quick look at the house, and then we're gonna go to the coolest part for Miller Garage. I know you guys are excited. It's pretty epic. And here we are at the front door of the house.
Already decorated for Christmas.
When you're unpacking and you find a random Christmas wreath and you're just like, okay, I don't want to like repack it in the Christmas stuff, so you just put it up because you know it makes sense.
Totally.
But the house itself is a 2,500 square foot house. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, which is great for us. The boys basically have like a 3-room wing.
With
seems
a
like
bathroom.
yeah, with a bathroom of their own.
Yeah.
Which when you have a bunch of boys, you need.
Yes, bathroom's awesome.
Yeah. So they have like 2 rooms and an office. So they have like 3 rooms all together. And then we have the guest room that's separate, and then our room, which is on the complete other side of the house, which is wonderful.
Over there.
So we will get into all the details about the house and stuff because you guys really care about what is coming up next.
Oh yeah. The whole reason we bought this property.
Not the whole reason.
The main reason.
One of the big motivators, yes. Yeah.
The main reason why I was okay with looking into this property.
Yes.
Because it was clear on the other side of our region.
Yeah.
So. But it was really worth it, and it's been amazing.
Yes, indeed. And as you can probably guess, this is my favorite part of the property. So this was a huge selling point of buying this house, was the 1,500 square foot shop that is already built here. This is definitely something that I have been wanting whenever I was doing the Airstream. Doing it in the driveway was just awful between having to worry about weather, the heat, and all of that. So this was a huge motivator really for even beginning to look at property as fast as we did. We had some other prospective Airstreams and stuff in the works that we were talking to people about, and so it was really like, if we're gonna start really doing this, then it's not going to be feasible to continue to build them in the driveway. So we started looking around and we found this property. It is pretty far away from where we were living before. Basically, like you have Dallas and Fort Worth, if you're looking at it this way, and I am on like the other side of Dallas is where my work is, and Fort Worth's way over here, and where our new house is on the other side of where my work is. And so it's pretty far out. We're out in the country, and we absolutely love it. Like, to get to our house, you basically have to like turn off onto a dirt road. So you're in the country when. So as you can see, this is an entirely steel structure. It's insulated. It's on foundation. It's 1,500 square feet, so it's got lots of space. right now is an absolute mess. The house was a foreclosure, and there's just a lot of stuff left in here, and it's just, you know, dusty. There's cobwebs everywhere. So I got a lot of work to do to clean it up and to get it all ready. But we do have some Airstreams coming in about like 2 to 3 weeks. So I've already started to clean up a little bit, and we got the Land Rover moved over in the background there, all this stuff that I'm gonna get organized, and then we have this, which is a new something that's been added to Miller Garage that we're gonna talk about in an upcoming video. So look forward to that. That's gonna be exciting. So this is the new home of Miller Garage. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff. Got more Airstreams, we got restorations, car builds, tools, woodworking, a lot of that kind of stuff. And for those of you who are more interested in following our family, and you're more interested in the self-reliance and the homesteading and that kind of stuff, and you know, if you came at the beginning whenever we were going to be living in the Airstream and doing the more minimalistic lifestyle, then you need to go over and check out our new channel. At the end screen, there's going to be a link to that, as well as in the description. And you know, everybody feel free to go check out that channel, subscribe. We're going to have some cool stuff on there. And Miller Garage is just going to keep growing. We got lots of fun stuff planned. If you are interested in having your Airstream worked on or an Airstream renovation done by us, please contact us. My email and contact info is below, so you know, just send a message to us. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next week.